To register at ikonteros.com, you should click in the Sign Up Now button. Next, you will choose a plan, Plan Graphite, Plan Opal, or Plan Bronze. Billing can be on a single annual payment or in monthly payments. Click to change prices. The Graphite plan includes one source, plan up to 100 videos. Script Assistant is not included, and you have one collaborator for $8 monthly per user. This plan is billed as $16 per month and is suggested for content creators starting from $0. The Opal plan includes up to 5 sources, plan up to 1,000 videos, limited Script Assistant included, and you have 5 collaborators for $6 monthly per user. This plan is billed as $36 per month and is suggested for growing content creators. The Bronze plan includes up to 10 sources, plan up to 5,000 videos, unlimited Script Assistant included, and you have 50 collaborators for $3 monthly per user. This plan is billed as $153 per month and is suggested for full-time content creators. For this tutorial, we will choose the Opal plan. On the next screen, you will write an email, a password, confirm the password, and the invitation code if you have. If you do not have an invitation code, please click here. It will open a new page where you can write an email on the field and then click the Give Me a Code button. This will subscribe you to our newsletter. After clicking, you will see a message, "Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter." Now access your email account. Open the email we sent you and click Yes to confirm. Once you confirmed, you will see a Welcome to our newsletter screen with some invitations codes. Choose one that fit your needs. If you close the window by mistake, do not worry, you will have the codes on your email too. Now copy the chosen invitation code. And paste it to continue the registration process. If your invitation code is still valid, you will see a message. Go back to your inbox where you will find a confirmation email. Please click on Confirm to continue. On the following page, type a name and last name, and the rest of the data are optional. Only name and last name are mandatory. Now you can click on Complete Registration, and it will take you to choose your billing frequency on PayPal to schedule your next payment. For this tutorial, we have chose monthly. Inside PayPal, it may ask you to register or to provide your login info. Fill up the payment form on the screen and complete the process. Once the payment is complete, you can access the platform by clicking on the link Sign In on the menu. Type the register email and password to be able to access the platform. On your first access, the platform will ask you to name your first source. A source can be my YouTube channel, my Instagram, My Facebook page, or any other name you like to use. Now click on Create Source, and after the confirmation message the system will ask you to sign in again to start using ikonteros. Yes. Now you are part of our community in ikonteros.